Hello friends. Today, we're going to talk about Samsung's new budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G, which is set to shake up the mid-range market with its 200-megapixel DSLR Grade camera and powerful 7000 mAh battery life. If you're also excited to get your hands on this beast of a smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Because today, we'll be diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. Design and display. First up, let's talk about its design and display. The Galaxy J15 Prime comes with a massive 6.89-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, supporting a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning gaming and scrolling will feel ultra-fluid. On top of that, it also features an in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection for added durability. Camera setup. Now, let's move to its biggest highlight, the camera. This phone packs a stunning 200-megapixel primary camera, with OIS, ensuring exceptional low-light photography. Alongside that, the camera setup includes a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel portrait lens, and a 8-megapixel macro lens. And for selfie lovers, a 32-megapixel front camera is ready to capture your best angles. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2300 chipset, which comes with 5G support. It also runs on the latest Android 16, with One UI's newest version, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. Battery and charging. Now, the battery. This phone is a monster with its 7000 mAh powerhouse, supporting 90-watt fast charging. That means you can juice it up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? According to our sources, the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is expected to be priced around $400. And as for the launch date, it's likely to hit the market by the end of this year.